Here are some examples by students from previous years. Choose an image you like and sketch it out in pencil first. Try to work big in order to fill up the space on your paper. Roy Lichtenstein often uses text in his work, so I'm adding some text here too, or some action words. Use pencil crayons to add bold, flat areas of colour. Add a black outline to your work to resemble the comic book style. Refer to Roy Lichtenstein's work when adding patterns to the background. A ruler is very useful for adding the patterns as well, so you can get nice, neat, straight lines.